Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: Node LTS and a Firebase project with cloud messaging enabled. First, create a folder and run npm init to make package. JSON, then npm install Firebase Admin Express. Next, drop the downloaded service account JSON into your project and set a secure environment variable for its path. Once done, import Firebase Admin and initialize app with the service account credential and the correct database URL or project ID so the server can authenticate and send messages. Now you build the payload and send it. Create a message object that contains notification, title, body, and optional data key-value pairs for background handling. Decide whether to target a single token, multiple tokens with send multicast, or a topic subscription for many devices. Then call await admin. Messaging, send message or send multicast messages inside an async function. Make sure to catch errors. Logging response ID helps track delivery. Also verify FCM token freshness on the client, since expired tokens cause failures. Finish by wiring your endpoint. Expose a post route that accepts payload and tokens, validate input, then call your messaging function. Once done, test with a single device token and examine the return message ID to confirm delivery. If things go wrong, first read the error. Code from admin. Messaging errors. Common causes are invalid or expired tokens, mismatched project ID, or disabled cloud messaging. Also make sure your service account has proper IAM roles and that Firebase quotas or rate limits are not being exceeded before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.